Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your internet and make maximum usage of your bandwidth. So you are probably facing that you are trying to download something, you cannot download it, the speed of download is very slow, sometimes it gets cancelled, or you are unable even to browse normal websites like Facebook or YouTube or Google, and even though your internet is working fine, you try it on the phone, it works fine, however on the computer it is very slow. If it's the case, then there might be multiple reasons behind it, and we will try to cover the maximum. So the first option, we'll have to go to the search loop and we'll type services. And here we'll open the desktop application. We will look for Windows Update. We'll keep scrolling. Here we have Windows Update. So if you don't need currently Windows Update, you can always disable it and until you have finished your work, and then you can enable it later. So we have click disable, stop, apply, and OK. This will stop Windows from taking updates on the background, and it will make your internet work as normal. So we will go again to the search loop if this didn't solve your problem, and we will look for settings. In the settings, we will open update and security, and we will go to change active hours for Windows updates. And here we will have to choose a time where we are not working. For example, if I use my computer from 8 a.m. till 7 p.m., then I will choose a time where Windows will do its update, and it will be either before the time when I want to work or after the time when I want to work. The best for me is between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. as I work during the night on my computer. And you can just click edit the time to change it to PM. For example, we can select 9 p.m. You click OK, and end time you can select 10, change to PM, and you click OK. You click save, and it has been updated. The next thing which we will do, we will click on advanced options, and here guys you will have to disable some of the update options, like for Microsoft products, because this will use your bandwidth, and also automatically download updates even over Metro data connection. So make sure to disable this one, because if you are sharing data from your phone to your computer will use that data to update. But when you tick it off or when you turn it off, then it should stop doing that. And we will go to the next option. We'll go to Wi-Fi settings. We will look for internet, network and internet. And here we will click on change connection properties and make sure to set. Here you can select method connection. So as soon as you have selected as method connection, Windows will disable some of its services which consume or use your bandwidth and let you make maximum usage of your internet and let you use normal speed of your internet, which is much way faster than if Windows is not set or if the connection is not set as method. This really saves you time and hassle. The next solution, guys, we will try to access to our router interface, and we will update few things on our router interface. So your router address, it's usually starting with 92. Mine is starting with 92.168.8.1. It changed from different. This is the indoor IP address or the internal IP address, and is different from the external address, and it allows you to access the interface of your router or modem. And by accessing it, we will log in. It changes from a router to another, but you can connect to all of them by the same way. Now we are logged in. Since we have the log out option available, we'll go to settings. And under the settings, we'll go to LAN settings. We'll go to LAN advanced settings. And here, guys, on the channel name, you will have to select automatic so that your router or modem will switch automatically to different Wi-Fi channels, which makes you benefit from the calculation. So if the router calculate that on that channel there are many users, channel number 2 or number 4, then the router will switch to another one. But if it's set to one static number, then you will always remain on that specific channel even though there are multiple users on it. And here Wi-Fi bandwidth, you can switch from 20 mega or 50 mega to automatic, and this again for better management of your Wi-Fi. You click apply and you close. We go to DHCP. Please note that some people will have these two options, but some people will have only the basic option. So please check out the manual of your router. Now guys, based on the DHCP server, many people they find it is disabled, so we'll just click enable and we will click apply and we'll just click to continue. This action will restart your device. We'll just click continue. After saving the settings, your router will restart and you are ready to go. So here it will show you the received and sent, and it should be much way better in terms of speed and bandwidth. So we'll just log out. And the last setup, we will go to our control panel, and from there we will change IPv4 to IPv6. So network and internet, network and sharing. We'll click on our Wi-Fi to open it, and here we'll click on properties. And on the properties section, you will have two options. You have Internet Protocol v4 and Internet Protocol v6. So for those people who have already the Internet Protocol v6, I would suggest you to click on it to enable it, and you just click OK. For those who doesn't have it, please try to click install and to look for protocol and to find the IPv6. If you cannot figure out where is your IPv6, please check again the manual of your router. For those who has only the option of IPv4, I would suggest you to select it, to click on properties, and here sometimes you might have this use static addresses. So your static IP address will appear like this. So use the following IP address, use the following DNS server. So my advice to you guys, you select obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS service automatically. When you leave it up to the router to decide, then you will have much more better management of your IP addresses assignment, which will avoid you to have IP address conflicts and probable slow internet. So we'll just click OK and we'll just close. Now we'll just close. We'll close our settings. We will go and try to test our internet. We can type internet speed test in your browser, and we'll click on speed test. Usually all of them they work. We'll just accept, close, and click go. Now the ping test is ongoing, so I will check again my speed if there was any increase. So as you can see guys, my download speed is 39.14 megabit per second and my upload speed is up to 10 megabit per second. Some of you might have or might got better results, so I would suggest you to start this test before and to remember to save the numbers, and after you have updated those settings to see if there was any increase. In my case, there was an increase of about 10 megabits per second in the download, which is very good for me. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always send us an email or leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.